Welcome back to Western New York Living. Now, I'm sure I'm like a lot of you and that my living spaces could sure use a good cleaning after the winter we just had. Well, if your cleaning list just keeps getting longer and longer, it may be time for a little bit of help. Luckily, that help has arrived on set today. We are so happy to have with us from Custom Made Cleaning, Colleen Gasparo and Miranda Giglio. Guys, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Now, Colleen, tell me a little bit about the history of this amazing business.
Okay, well, we started 38 years ago, and it was just me. Then we slowly hired people, and now we have 2 locations. We service offices in the after hours, and we have roughly about 40 employees now. So yeah, it's grown a lot. I feel that we do it right. We are always keeping up with innovative systems and that, and we train our employees very, very well. So yeah, we've been around a long time. I think we know what we're doing.
I think so too. Now, Miranda, we were talking about spring cleaning, but you guys can do special events. You can help people move in and out.
Yep.
Not just homes, but offices as well. Tell me
That's
about
right, yeah.
that.
So, I mean, we can really do anything that you're looking for. If you're just looking for like a one-time cleaning, that's completely fine with us, occasional cleaning. And we also do offices, like you said. So we treat an office just like we treat a home. And we can definitely get in there and make sure everything looks great for you.
Now, we were talking about this before the show started, but Mother's Day is coming up, and there is no better gift, in my opinion, than not having to clean the house. Tell me about this Mother's Day.
Yeah, we have gift certificates that are available on our website, and they are amazing. I'm not kidding when I say about 98% of them are used. If not more, and it's something that you can give not only to your mom, to your grandma, to your daughter, to a neighbor, to anybody that really needs a little help with their cleaning. Your uncle, even if it's Mother's Day, you know, whatever it is, his birthday, whatever you can give to give somebody a little helping hand. Yeah,
I love that.
Yeah.
Now, something that's super important to know is that your employees are bonded and insured and properly trained. That part is so important. Miranda, tell me a little bit more about that.
So we're insured, bonded. We run background checks on all of our employees. And we have all of our employees go through our training program before they actually get out there and are in a home. So we want to make sure people feel comfortable with the people that are going in their homes. And, you know, they come into my home, so I make sure that you know, everything looks good.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
That standard is so great.
Yep.
Now, which parts of our community do you service?
We're serviced pretty much all of Western New York, from the north towns all the way to the south towns, Alma, Hamburg, Youngstown, Lewiston, pretty much all over. So we have 2 locations. One services more of the north towns, and the other one services more of the south towns.
Now, I'm sure that you've seen the ways that this has changed people's lives, coming in and having a clean space that we didn't have to do on our own. What have you seen in that regard?
Yeah, I mean, people are just so happy. We get, I mean, you can look up our reviews, like tons of happy customers that, I mean, they're just, it really gives them that gift of time, that extra time that they don't actually have to spend cleaning their house themselves.
And they can spend it more with their families, and we also clean for people that their parents or family members live here, but they live elsewhere, and they will cover the costs of, you know, they know that they might need a little bit of helping hand. They're not ready for assisted living or something, but okay, give them a hand where they need it. They can stay put in their homes.
That's the best. Quickly, what's a good spring cleaning tip?
Okay, so you want to open up the windows and get some fresh air into your home. So when you open up the window and you see that track in your window and it's filthy, you could sprinkle, you first of all get out some of the debris by vacuuming it out. Then you can also just sprinkle a little baking soda right on that track and either spray it with white vinegar or drizzle a little white vinegar. Let it do its thing, let the chemical reaction happen. In about 5 or 10 minutes, you can go back and just wipe it right out. It comes out real clean.
That's the best.
Yep.
Guys, thank you so much for being here today. Custom Made Cleaning is a premier house and office cleaning service that has been in business in our area for over 35 years. To find out more about all the services they have, head to their website at custommade-inc.com. You can also give them a call at 775-0820 to set up an appointment. Right now, you also may be able to save $50 when you sign up for weekly or bi-weekly services, and they suggest following them on social media.